Hi, I'm Ivan from HEG Lighting. Welcome to HEG's channel. Ever wonder how an LED headlight driver board is made? Well, we're now in the HEG factory. Today, let me show you. Here is a bare PCB before assembly. First, we load the PCB into the system. Then, the process runs fully automatically. Finally, each component is placed with high precision, ensuring stable performance and consistency. This is our SMT machine, the key to precision, consistency, and quality control. That's how we produce every driver board in our LED headlights. Best lighting, choose HEG.